Hey guys, it's Kristina. So tonight, actually I wanted to do a little unready routine nighttime skincare for you guys, just showing you how I'm gonna get unready. I have makeup on because I was filming earlier today. I usually would not be wearing this much makeup. I've been just home, so I've worn no makeup the past like week or so, and it feels so good on my skin. I've been doing skincare a lot more, so I just wanted to show you some steps because I love doing skincare. I love layering skincare in different steps. I do it in the morning, throughout the day, and at nighttime I love to do like the most. So I will link all the products I'm using down below for you guys in the info box, so check that out. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, let's get on ready. So first, I like to go in with a cleansing balm that just melts the makeup off. The one I'm using today is from Ventura Blvd, but I will link all the products for you guys in the info box. Then I'm just taking a wipe and taking all of that off. Then I'm going in with a cleanser and a little bit of water. And I'm using my spin brush to really get in there and take all the makeup off. Then after I wash that off, I like to go in with a mask. I don't do a mask every single night, just whenever I feel like it. Sometimes I'll do a moisturizing one. Sometimes I will lay down and do a sheet mask. So it just depends on how I feel and what my skin needs that day. In this case, I wanted to really cleanse my skin because I was wearing makeup all day. So I went in with this clay charcoal mask. So I left it on for 15 minutes, let it dry, and this one is my favorite cleansing mask because it really takes everything out of your pores and leaves your skin really clean. So after I wash that off, I go in with a toner, and not only does a toner restore the pH balance of your skin, but it also takes off anything that might be left in your skin as far as makeup or any oil, dirt, or anything like that throughout the day. And I also make sure to go in on my neck, my décolleté area, and even on my back. Then I also like to take a Q-tip, and using the toner, I like to go over my eye area and make sure that I get all of the mascara and liner off. Then this is one of my favorite steps. I love to go in with this mist. Then I always go in with a serum before I do the moisturizer. In this case, I'm using this collagen serum, which helps prevent aging. And as you can see, I like to go up when I'm applying products, which helps to go against gravity. So if you can remember that tip, try to apply products that way. Then this is an extra step that I don't do every day, but just in case I do have some redness, this is a really good anti-redness treatment. It's like a clear mask, so you can apply it even underneath your makeup, like during the day, during the night, whatever. But literally within hours, if I apply it at night, I'll wake up in the morning and the redness will be gone. It's like magic. Then I always make sure to go in with an eye cream. Doesn't matter if it's morning or nighttime. So here I'm using this really cool eye cream that has a little applicator. It's like a metal one, so it soothes your skin because it feels really cooling. And I also like that you don't have to dig your finger into the product, so that way it remains very clean. And I'm patting in the eye cream using my ring finger because it's actually the weakest finger that you have, so it applies the least pressure, which is what you want because the eye area is very delicate. Then I'm going in with a moisturizer. This is a nighttime moisturizer from the same brand as the eye cream, and I love the packaging because, like I said before, it's very hygienic where it pumps out. You don't have to put your finger in it. And of course, make sure to get your neck and décolleté area as well. Here I'm doing an extra step using this spray, which protects your skin against blue light like your computer and your phone. Another extra step is using a scar gel. So I actually just burned myself using a clothing steamer. So this was an accident and I really don't want it to scar. So I'm using a little bit of that here. Then I'm applying a little bit of this yummy smelling lotion all over my hands and my arms. And then the very last step is oil. So I leave this for last because I want the other products to absorb first because they're a little bit lighter. And I love doing an oil before bed because you wake up glowing. It just soaks into your skin while you're sleeping and it's amazing. This oil actually has a little bit of shimmer in it as well. So it just looks really good even in the daytime, but I love applying this at night. So I put this all over my face, neck and décolleté area and also on my hands to moisturize. And that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Bye.